Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. Now we shall learn little more about if clause. Here, in if clause, you find an independent clause and a dependent clause. For this kind of sentences, we have four cases. First one is possible case, second one is imaginary case, third one is impossible case, fourth one is zero case. If something will happen, it is a possibility to happen this case, this dependent case. Here I will give you an example. If you work hard, you will reach your goal. If you work hard, you will get first class. There is a possibility, if you work hard, you will get first class. What is the first rule? V1, if you find V1 here, the second clause must contain will. If you go to school early, your teacher will appreciate you. If you practice well, you can reach your goal. There is a possibility. In the first case, possible case, it can be a positive case, possible case. And imaginary, it cannot be happen. Very rarely, barely, occasionally it may happen. Imagination. If I were a bird, I would fly. If I were a bird, maybe a technology will increase, I may fly like a bird. If I were imagination, we will imagine all the facilities, the technology is once an imagination of somebody's brain. So, if I were a bird, I would fly. If I were the CM, I will give each one a house. Like that, you can imagine. There is very slight possibility of occurrence, imagination. Here in the first clause, you find verb, V2, were and V2. V2 in the second clause, would. Here V2 is were, second clause, would. And impossible case, it won't happen. It depends on time too. When we talk about past time, if I had lot of money, I would buy a house. I cannot go back to my past and earn a lot of money. There is no possibility. It's an impossible. If I had a lot of money, now I didn't have any money. If I had a lot of money, I would have buy a house. Here in the first clause, you find had and V3. In the second clause, would have plus V1. Would have bought V3. No, in zero case, fourth one, zero case, it doesn't depend on the first clause. It's a natural phenomenon, a fact or a truth. It happens. Obviously, it happens. If I beat you, it pains, it hurts. If I beat you, it hurts. If I heat ice, it melts. It melts. In both the cases, you can use simple present. You can use, if I appreciate you, she enjoys. If I appreciate somebody, she enjoys. So, it is a natural case that it happens without saying. Thank you.